Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Crust. Welcome back to the star of the show, being the gas extractor, which we're gonna finish in a few days. I'm just filling some contracts. Actually, I'm just doing the contracts to improve relationship with our neighbors. Looks like there were changes made. In the game, this is like looks like a new icon for the shipping. I'm just gonna show you that it's not changed for everything. I think I'm gonna show you, even though it does say here, for example, says Earth, so it's classic like a pod that is delivering this. But if we go to, let's say, all the contracts, I think these guys we have worse ones with. Come on, show me the Earth ones. No. Okay, looks like it's being updated. I actually saw the classic one, like a rocket and stuff, so I thought maybe it's no, looks like everything has been changed. I could have sworn that I saw in some of these non contracts. I think it would be because I just loaded the game and the update was like before or after the last time I played it, that it showed some of the old ones, but once the contracts renewed, they renewed with a new icon. Probably it was programmed like that. But anyway, cool. Yeah, I think it's much more real, not realistic, but much more fitting for the game, and I really like it. Right, okay, so continuing with the game, what I was trying to do, what we are trying to do here, we have a big issue with food. Again, who knew? But I think, again, this time it's again botanists. I know that my reshuffling of the people and where they work and what they do not ever press these buttons up here. They're gonna screw your life up and you're gonna become drug addict and sleep under the bridge. Look at this. Why is this guy, you know what, botanist with 0? I was like, okay, if he decided to be a botanist, I'm fine with that. Look at this one, nothing. He's a nothing. Okay, I'm declaring this a bug because I'm pretty sure I didn't change any of these things. Yeah, I'm gonna just scroll through those and see if we have any double ones here. For example, this guy is working as engineer, but it's ticked as a medic and scientist. God damn it, how is this possible? Wow, swearing this early. Botanist selected as cook. Okay, can you please not? Engineer, scientist. Oh my god. Engineer, scientist. Why are you cook? What's wrong with you? As long as engineers are engineers, that would be fine. This guy is engineer and medic. Okay, we have a couple of newbies here, looks like it. Yeah, I'm gonna go and just untick these. Do never ever click on these icons up here, ever. Unless you want to screw your life up, but yeah, don't click on those. I'm just gonna select this guy as an engineer as well. And that seems to be it. Just a couple of tests here. Scientist. Yeah. Somebody's still on expedition? Wow. I haven't seen expedition in a while. Okay. So let's do the basics. First, I did most of the exports already. I did a lot of silicon exports, like over 1,000, I think. We're still getting, as far as I can see here, we're getting titanium in decent quantities. That's unfortunate. Let's do the basics. Let me show you what I'm doing now. I'm literally forcing food. I'm forcing food down everybody's throat. How am I succeeding with this? I don't know. But none of these factories are getting any... Well, they shouldn't be getting any. So everything is going to be processed into food. Unfortunately, we are still kind of missing botanists. I think we are missing botanists. And you can see here that medication also is a bit of a problem. I think it could be due to a lot of medication being used as a stimulants. Nah, there is some over here. Okay, you know what? I'll do that as well. So let's do an import. Let's do import of medication. No, let's go this way. Medication is here. How much can we get? 100. Well, whatever. Financially, we are okay at the moment. I have no problems with it. Okay, let's see this. Caps lock. If you press caps lock, it literally goes down where you want it to go, where you are above now. Okay, so this is the problem that we have here is a basic factory problem. So if we go from the back to the beginning, I'm looking for aluminium like we have over here. You can see that there's no aluminium here. This is the first problem. Second problem that I can see is the modular terminals, because this one is not full. Next problem we have is aluminium still, and the next problem is aluminium. I'm just wondering if there's any aluminium passing through here. This is 512, doesn't seem so. Okay, so we need more aluminium and we need more modular terminals. Are we making more modular terminals elsewhere than here? I don't think so. I don't see any modular terminals. What are you missing? Oh, rare earths? I don't think that should be a problem. I'll pay attention. Wow, I didn't notice rare earths as well. What are you making again? Plasteel. Okay, plasteel is something that we have a shitload of. And didn't I stop these guys? Huh, coffee time for me. Look at this as well. Let's stop this. Plasteel. Plasteel is, we have a lot of that, but this duralumin, I don't think there's a reason for us to make so much duralumin plates. So I'm gonna shut this one off. We need aluminium and love. Obviously, we need rare earths. To be honest, rare earths should be perfectly fine, because you can see here that rare earths are actually stockpiling, and the new rare earth mine is functioning. The next thing would be aluminium. Aluminium itself, aluminium oxide, is this one here. I'm gonna have to balance this between these two, because I don't want this one to get all the aluminium. So I need, maybe, I don't want to shut this one off because it's consuming a lot of actually, I think this is bad. Let me explain. I think this factory is bad because if you lack aluminium, you're literally consuming aluminium here faster than silicon and iron. And silicon and iron are not as big of a problem as a lack of aluminium. Okay, let's go this and let's start healing everybody. So what am I talking about here? Aluminium. We are lacking aluminium over here that is consuming silicon and the nanotubes. Next one, aluminium that we need for, what is it, the next one? Well, we need it for this one here, but this one is functioning. So this would be, let's say that this is our main focus. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is very much needed. We're going to stop everything, stop the press. We need to organize the this one, and we need to build the gas extraction. So gas extraction facility, looks like we might have all of these. Yeah, shipping costs, please do. Build this one, and now let's organize vehicle. That would be outpost 1, and get everything from the main base, fill all. And I think I'm gonna just send it like this. Assign route. Why am I not putting patrol? Because it seems like if you put patrol, he waits only for a few moments at the main base before he starts going further, and it doesn't work with delivery of these items. Why is that so? I'm assuming that this is because of the expedition control center that needs to be free for other expeditions that are coming over here. Like we only have one. We don't have a lot of expeditions coming here, but I think this is the reason. When you put it as a patrol, they go, load, come, unload, go, load. So it's like they are doing a job, certain job, and then they only wait for like loading or unloading of the materials. And they don't wait for all the materials to be delivered because there's no specific mission that they're on. They are literally on patrol mission, going there, back, there, back, there, back. So yeah, this is my opinion how it works. And when you're sending materials, you need to go for a one-off trip there and back, and that's it. This is my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna go down here and continue talking about the oxides and making the duralumin plates. Currently, I believe that we need more duralumin, more aluminium. Aluminium is being used here with steel and bricks to make the modular frames, which is consuming steel, which is good because we have so much steel. Well, at least I think we have so much steel, and we definitely need more aluminium. The second one is obviously the transparent aluminium, which is again something that we would. It's a high-end product that we would like to export, if at all possible. Titanium or duralumin plates with rare earths. This seems like something that we don't need in such a big quantities. So I think I'm gonna stop this factory over here. I'm gonna shut you off. Boom. And I know that we're gonna get in the system more silicon oxide and more iron oxide, but we're gonna get more than that. We're gonna get the aluminium. And how, in what measure the aluminium is used to consume steel? Look at this. 1 to 1.8, almost 1 to 1 to 2, 2 to 1, and then here to silicon, it's okay. This is 3 to 1, 3 aluminum for 1 silicon, but well, I can only say it is what it is. The rare earths here seems to be another thing that we might be having a problem with. I can see here rare earths rarely passing. You see one over there. And there's another one over here. That means that we are producing a lot of electronics, which is great. But we need to make sure the electronics are passing here. So we are overproducing electronics, which is fine. That's a good product to have. We're using it both for this and the... What is this? This is the CPUs. So yeah, we're gonna have to increase the production of rare earths. At least this is how it feels here. Look, we have, let's say here 1, 2, where are the rare earths? 1, 2 here. We only have like 1 passing by. How much? Okay, let's do the mathematics. This is like 3 per minute efficiency. Sorry, 4 per minute efficiency, 125%. This is easy. This is 5 per minute. How many are you producing here? This is 10 per minute, and this is taking 5 per minute. So we are only passing 5 per minute rare earths. And then what are you consuming? This is even more. So yeah, I think this is no-brainer. We need more rare earth refineries. I'm gonna slowly increase this. This is still going to be a problem going forward, but I'm gonna slowly build our rare earth processing capacity. Okay, so we're gonna go with this. We're gonna go for conveyor belts from here to here. I'm gonna warn you guys, this is now, we're getting into the territory of having too much conveyor belts won't be able to sustain this much supply. Why am I talking like this? Because it's me, Oolykee. Because we have 4 times 12 and a half, that would be 50, and now the next one is going to be 62.5. So all of this now needs to be upgraded. Okay, it doesn't work like that, so let's go and upgrade this and this. So we are getting more, but we're gonna have to get more from the beginning. I think like this. I'm just gonna trace this all the way back where it comes from. Okay, this looks like it's going faster. What level are you again? Level 4. Wow. When did... what? Okay, whatever. Level 4 here, so we are getting now 150 rare earths per minute. Great. So we increased the rare earth production. That's the episode for you. That's at least me keeping my promise that we are improving the situation around here. Okay, let's do the scanning. Just boring arsenal. Okay. There we go. We have this guy. This is the mammoth. If I go to here, we can try to organize mammoth for something. Okay, let's do the trade first. Let's see if we can help with the trade. We have a lot of drones here not doing anything. I did siphon off much of the... let's turn this factory off. And this one here as well, because they're not getting any resources. 104. Okay, so looks like food is now oversupply, or greenery or organics are oversupplied to our kitchens. That means that we might have a capacity to we can now monitor what is happening with our food. It looks like it's going down, but I can't really tell. By the way, we only have 2 kitchens. I removed all the kitchens from the living area. And I removed all the kitchens from here. I wanted to build the kitchens closer to where the food is being processed. And to be honest, you know what? I'm thinking about... Can I... yeah. So I'm thinking, how do you remove the doors? Do you know this? This is challenging. Let's see. If I do this, nothing happens. But if I do this and then remove a segment, boom. And then yes... Suddenly all of this loses power, but if I do... No. If I do this and this... And boom, now everything is gonna get power back because they're building a wall here. Why am I building a wall here? I'm gonna put another kitchen over here. Depending on the amount of productivity of food, how the food looks like, seems like the next step for us here is to build another kitchen. And I want to build it here because this is close to the organics. Coffee time for me. Okay, so trade. I'm gonna press the caps lock. Not enough water. Oh yeah, forget about it. That's due to me destroying the 2 or damaging 2 rooms, but that's fine now. Okay, contracts. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna see. This is how I'm gonna do contracts now. Go away. I don't need this. Let's see who we can improve relationship with. I'm gonna go one by one, and here we go. This is the first guy. Electronics. I just saw that we are overproducing electronics. That's very nice to see. You know what I saw? I saw a lot of plasteel to be exported on the surface. A lot of it. I just stopped production of plasteel. You know what? Let's improve the relationship with people. No plasteel. Anything. Well, maybe plasteel. I don't know. This seems like it's reasonable. We have duralumin that we are still producing with rare earths. I'm just thinking if this is the thing that we need to do. Electronics. Let's go this. These are high-end materials. No, wait. Do you have any research that you're offering? No. Well, look at this. I will not do this. The slag is only exported by the trucks on the surface. No. You know what? Let's keep this. I think my brain is a mush right now. I don't know what to think about these contracts. I just exported a lot of these. Ooh. 300? No, 257. I was like, that's a decent contract, and the kind of materials that I had a little bit extra off. What about you? What do you have? Steel. Research. I don't have aluminium. I'm not gonna give you aluminium. But this research, I think it could be good. Look at this. 100. Say, oh, whoa. Look at this. Much more money, much more research for only a little bit more titanium plates. Okay, there we go. And we need to improve relationship with you. And this is the earths and resource. Fill order. That's the smallest one. Perfect. Send. Okay, let's see what we have. 100. 258. That's 158. That's easy math. We have a couple of titanium plates coming in. So, like, let's say 160 would be enough. Which is very, very fast. Here, 162. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be enough. No, it's not. 1, 3. Oh, actually 3. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Nothing else needs to be sent here. That's fine. Okay, the surface vehicle. Do I want to keep the mammoth or do I want to send it? I was thinking maybe organizing some missions. Yeah, let's do the missions. I don't want to do this because we are not producing composites yet. Human organ factory. That sounds like fun. Let's do that. Mammoth. Fill all and return back. That's it. That's it. You do you. Contract completed. Some research. Monthly report. Go away. Food. Looks like food is not doing so well. I'm gonna just go for the contracts and see if we have anybody to hire. No biologists. No biologists. This is the only thing I'm looking for is biologists. The only other thing that I'm thinking about doing, we're gonna monitor a little bit these guys. The only other thing I'm thinking about doing is, you can see here, full, and our food is still dropping down. I think this is the case closed on how many, let's see, resources, food. Here we go. And I think this is somewhere where we imported like 100 food or something, but this is the food supplies. We did have, I think these are imports, or no. We were, I don't know what we did to increase. Right, there was more people working. I was redoing what people can do and what they can't do. You can see here a lot of people now coming to work. We're gonna look from above, and I'm gonna show you. Look at the air. 2 people only working. This is only 1 person working. So what I can do here is, oh my God, well, I don't know. I have no idea, guys. I don't know what is this. What is happening here? Why are these people just randomly getting to do whatever they want to do? This guy is a very bad cook and very bad medic, and he's suddenly cook and medic. I have no idea. I don't think I'm doing this. I think I was setting everything correctly, like I wanted it to be. Yes, finding out that we need way more botanists than I expected, but yeah, okay, it looks like everybody's here now. Okay, if I go to... No. I need to see who is better. Like when you're selecting them for missions, when you select... Here. Why does this one have 2? Why is this one botanist? Okay. Okay. This is the engineer. This is the scientists. They're all scientists, okay. Except this one. This one is nothing. Then we have botanists. Wow. Just freaking wow. We literally had people not doing anything. Botanists not doing anything. Let's go this one. Cooks. We have a lot of cooks. Too many. And we have a couple of medics. That's it. Okay, just... Okay. Oh, that's a big one. Sneeze. No, we don't have enough bricks. I'll think about it. And everything else looks fine. Bricks are... we have less than 1,000 ready to be shipped, so no. Okay, let me see if I can find a surface contract. What would be a good surface contract? Well, duralumin plates here. 600. We have a lot of control units as well, so we can earn a lot of money. But let's see duralumin plates. Let's see duralumin plates. Who needs a good relationship with us? This is surface. You know what? Go for it. We need to improve relationship with you. Send resources. Select transport. No. Wait, what? Oh, did I just accept the contract? Did this guy just return? Oh my God. Okay, you know what? No go. We have a problem. This is the outpost guy. I need him because... Oh, select resource for production, okay. Whoa, this is new. So I would say neon. Okay. Okay, it has a capacity of 2,000 neon. Okay. We have a... Underground gases, 19. I have no idea what this means. How often, how fast are you going to be producing this? Okay, he's going up now. Working. Per week. Okay. Why does it say here 19 per week and then says 106 per week? I have no idea, guys. I hope it's 106 per week. We'll see how it goes. Okay. In the meantime, looks like this is why I didn't want to fulfill this contract. It's because I thought that we're going to have to build a storage for gases, but I will not build a storage because this seems like we have a decent amount. Okay, and let me see where the contract is. Okay, doesn't matter. I don't care. We have a decent amount of capacity in the gas extraction in the gas facility, so seems like there's 2,000 capacity, which is huge. I like it. I just don't know if I build another gas extraction. Can I get another gas? This says that is how much gas is here, but when you hover over these icons, they tell you that where is it? Helium, that this is +8 per cycle. So technically we can get gas anywhere. This is just +8 per cycle, and this is +11 per cycle. This is how it. Okay. Oh wait. If I go back here and I select this again, 106 per week, and then minus 19 would be 97, 87. So is like gas extraction 87 per week, and then this gives you this extra? I have no idea. This is all new to me, but at the moment seems like we're gonna be getting 19. Was that a week past? No, that's a day. Okay, I'm just looking at the watch here, clock here. 10. Yeah. This is not a week. This is a day. At least for me, this seems like it's a day. Okay, so we are getting 19 per day. Well, they gave us 19, and I'm assuming that this is a day, or because according to this, it is a day. Okay, I'm fine with this. I will have to set up the delivery system for Neon. So we have a Neon. What do we use Neon for? First of all, as far as I understand how the delivery system for gas works, you just, like electricity, you connect everything with pipes, and that's it. The pipes are going to determine what they want to do. I'm just going to go all the way here and show you that we have a Neon storage here, we have a methane storage, and we have 2 argon storages. 2 argon storages is because we're mining argon on the surface here, and methane, and this is just for experimentation. And I'm pretty sure that they just use the same pipes to deliver gas here or distribute it to the factories that they need. There's no like separate gas delivery systems. That's my understanding, and it seems like it is like that. I think, did I deliver methane? There was a free methane location where I could get some excess methane. It's just that as far as I saw there, it's methane is not that useful. You can only make fuel from it, and fuel, and you can make only like a little bit of fuel out of it. Whoa! We have signals. Okay, food looks like it's going up now for some reason. I have no idea why. I still didn't build a kitchen. I'm looking at the wrong area here. I still did not build a kitchen. Food storage is right here, and that's about it. I have nothing else to add. Food is up to 52. Okay, let's monitor. Let's monitor situation closely, and let's see how it's gonna be like, how this is gonna function. Yeah, we're literally turning all the botanist stuff into the all the organics into food, and I have no idea how often these guys change, but this is ridiculous. I need botanists, and I need as soon as possible, and they're not serving. This is not working out for us. We're not getting enough botanists fast enough. The other thing I would like to, what I said, I would like to filter them with their skills. For example, if I go here, I would like to see what level of botanists some of these engineers are. For example, this guy, I would give him options. Do I go 4 as well? Yes, let's go 4. Just looking there, botanist Miloš Radulov. Miloš is South Slavic name. I think it will be mostly Serbian, Montenegrin, maybe Bulgarian, because Radulov. I have a Radulovic colleague of mine who used to work with me. Interesting. Radulov. I would say Serbian, Bulgarian, Montenegro guy. Maybe Bosnian. Marko Radic. This could be from my neck of the woods. Radic. We have Stjepan Radic is also one of the Croatian nationalist historical ones. I didn't even check the names of the people who I hire. Maybe like, I'm like Heis. Maybe I should be checking these things out. I have wasting science points, urgent contract. I'll think about it. Wasting science points. This is definitely a concern. We have social social research we can do. So number 3 already researched all of this. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, let's do extended tenders. What is this? Increase the limit of number of simultaneous some contracts. Actually, can I do the hiring? Reduces using cargo pods by 40%. And where's the hiring thingy? Colonist recruitment unlocks access terminal for hiring specialists. And okay. Where's the one that we get more colonists? Territory purchase license. Reduces land purchase cost. Okay. I thought there was a one that we can actually get more colonists. I don't know. Maybe I'm mistaken, but yeah. Simultaneously signed contracts. I don't need that. Let's do this one. This one is 36,000. This is gonna keep you busy for a while. I'm definitely sure. Oh, 21 days for the increased cargo capacity. I will just go and double check how everything is working. Okay, so aluminium, look at this. Aluminium, all the aluminium factories except the last one are working now. That means we are restocking. And this one is almost... they're not even fully upgraded yet. Maybe I should... No. They should be working on their own first. Yeah, I stopped this one, so we're not getting any of these materials. How are we looking here? This is going to be blocked for a foreseeable future because silicon is only being used here. Oh no, it's being used here as well. Okay, it's only 6. Only 6. And what are we? Yeah, titanium oxide, that's fine. All of these can be used. This is just going to be very, very slow. By the way, I shut off all the mines that were feeding into here. We have iron mine here. We have too much iron. And we have 2 silicon mines over here that I shut off as well. They're kind of almost depleted, but I just gave up on them. I don't want to have excess silicon. And this factory right here, this literal factory right here, is not working because it has too much silicon. So there's no point of me feeding even more silicon into this. So this is gonna take a while until they consume all this silicon, and yeah, by then we'll see what happens. And also I was thinking of feeding them the regolith from the surface just to process that one. Slag looking good. How is this guy looking? Ice baby, looks like it's okay. This guy is dropping like a stone. Let me go and the caps lock. Let's see upstairs. How are we doing here? Boom! Full 50,000. Maybe somebody should start exporting this as well. Oh my god. Why is this not working? Why are you not delivering this? Why is this taking so long? I have no idea, guys. Okay, it looks like it's... Okay, let's say that vehicle wasn't there. Okay, this is fast. This is fast. I thought that this was done and dusted already. Looks like not. But he's on his merry way, so that's fine. Okay, underground. Food production again, organic production. We are stockpiling organics here in vast quantities. I think it should be working like this. I think we should be working like this. I would really like to see more colonists for hire, because this is ridiculous. This is just a joke. Like, I don't even know how often they change. Well, maybe there's something. Let's read everything that they hire colonists. Does it tell me when we're gonna get new colonists? I don't see any here. Medics, 1 medic, 5 engineers, 2 scientists, no botanists. Okay, I don't know. I'm still not impressed by this. 4 here. We have 4 people working here. Let's see how many of them are gonna go to work now. We have 4 over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12, 13, 16, 17, 18 slots for current work. And this is currently, I don't know if they change shifts or whatnot, but I need excess workers also so they can get educated, because it seems like that they're only getting trainings when you have excess workers. I don't think you can set training in their work mode. So yeah, it's only like work time, free time, that's it. I think they're being treated nicely here, so I'm not gonna address that. But I think we just need more workers everywhere. I think there's too many workplaces open and not enough workers. So yeah, hiring more workers, factory workers. I don't know about that. Maybe, but I'm pressed for food, so I don't want to deal with this currently. Oh, even these guys. Don't tell me that they have delivery, manual delivery. No. No, they don't. How about this one needs repair or something? Why is this? Why doesn't it allow me to deliver manually? Yeah, this is one of the, like, let's say, bugs here. Like, why this one doesn't allow me to deliver organics manually? But yeah, well, very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, for now, like I said, we're gonna focus on food production of. Looks like organics is the bottleneck. If I focus all the organics into food production or going into storage. By the way, I cleaned this room all the way, so we have space for 4 more the hydroponics space here, and we have 1 more space over here for hydroponics, so we can increase production of greenery quite a lot. I'm thinking maybe of shutting down some of these hydroponics if we have excess workers, but I know that hydroponics work also when they're not staffed, so yeah. For now, I'm just gonna refrain from opening new hydroponics, and I totally forgot that this guy is actually looking for the signals. Okay, we have a signal scanned there, but I need to do the full loop because I might be missing something. Wasting science points. Engineering. Oh god. Okay, so 15. What about this? 38. Okay, this guy seems like it's gonna be the fastest. 5 days. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. We need to finish this one, and then we need to put engineering research back on. Please continue informing me that I'm wasting science points. Okay, that's it. I'm extracting gas. We need to start delivering this gas. As soon as I get a free vehicle, I'm gonna start sending it here. Neon, what is neon used for? Neon is used for the let's see the recipes here. Let's do it from the factory view, from this view. Neon is used for the oh yeah, this is the things that we're exporting the most. As soon as I get neon, I'm gonna get composites. This is very, very good. Again, this one looks horrible. Composites are also... Oh, nanotubes. Well, I do have nanotubes. Why am I not building this and then making an without neon? Then what am I supposed to use neon for? I just want to... Yeah. And look at this. This is 6 neon per day. And that guy is mining 18. That would be, let's say, 3 composites per day. And what is productivity of these factories? I don't think it tells me. Oh, this would be... No, this is not per day. This is the smallest denominator. It's not 1 per day. Urgent contract. We have this, and we have this. On the moon, I'll think about it. No dice. Okay, let's start scanning the surface. Radio signals. No radio signals. Radio signals. Oh, this is the second one. That's the one who found the Chinese and the Russians and all the others. Okay, no pinging. Let's move here. Okay, this one is gonna be done shortly. That's fine. Okay, next factory. Do we want to build... I never checked how much space we're gonna need for these. Oh my god. That's a lot of space. I don't like this. Especially because we need space here for these. Well, I can start building them in this area. If I start building them here, then I can do it like this. Okay, let's block this exit for a second. I received, oh god, I received more industrial research and is being wasted at the moment. Oh, wait. Oh, that's my bad. That's totally not what I'm supposed to press. This is what I'm supposed to press. Scanning. Is that you with the radio signal? No, you're not. No radio signals here. Okay, this one is moved. I will have to go with this one. Yeah, I'll have to move more, but this is fine for now. I'm gonna have to move all of this, by the way. Look at the richness on this conveyor belt. So many expensive materials. This is the silicone conveyor belt. Okay. That's a stupid name. Right, so let's go and plan for the bigger factories. So if we go for the... what's it called even? It's called the manufacturer. Yeah, we're gonna need 4 storages for this. So let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 storages. And then as a factory, it's gonna be like this. God damn it. This is even bad. Like, we're gonna have to put even more space because it's not kinda balanced properly. Like, this is fine, but the last 2 won't fit. So something like this is gonna have to be the way. And then if I go this way... Let's go in this direction. Is this long enough? It should be. It's not really. It's not really long enough. Because I can fit like 1 factory here and that's it. Nothing more. But that's fine. I don't know what I'm gonna even build here. So for now, I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. This one can go here and here. Research complete. 2 research. Perfect. We need to sink some engineering points somewhere. Oh god, no. Titanium rolling. Titanium plates. Do we have anything that consumes only engineering components? I don't think I have a problem with those. These are big sinks, but they're all mixed between different researchers, so not impressed. I'm just looking at... Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna go from the beginning. I know that I'm using titanium plates, so might as well go for this. This is just a sink for the these social points, so I'm gonna just put it a little bit higher on the list. And here, this is not the one that I want. I want this one. And just to make sure, how much is this one? 8 days. Outpost regulate refinery. No, this one is more important for me. Yeah, please go with this one first. Will we do it in this episode? I doubt it. Okay, so here we go. So we gonna be producing the... Oh my god, we can do the factory production of these. Yeah, sure. Composites, I think, first. We have all these materials. Okay, let's see. Somebody told me this, and I'm in the comments. Oh, well, maybe I should address that person who was telling me this in the comment section. Sorry about this. I'm just gonna read name and shame, community, and that I responded. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is from Sandhammer from 3 days ago. Correct me if I'm wrong, but with storages that are directly connected to inputs into machines, they will automatically be set to the resource that is required upstream. Don't know if they're indicated though. Okay, let's see now. Let's name and shame. So we said that we're gonna go. Yeah, let's do this one. This is the one that we want. Unpause it. And here we go. I'm just gonna connect it without choosing anything. Absolutely not. And here. I think that's it. Let's build all of these. They are manually delivering materials. That's unfortunate, but I'm looking at this. I might be wrong, but maybe needs to be connected to the main conveyor belt, which is also plausible. Also, I'm gonna go just for a second here and pause this conveyor belt so I can extend it a bit. Who is gonna come first, this one or this one? I'm gonna have to remove this just to stop them so my drones don't have to do too much work on the ground. Remove this, and then let's go for the second level conveyor belt anyway. And then this is gonna be second level. Build all of these. This is going to be upgraded to second level, and this is already upgraded to second level. Did I connect these? I did not connect this though, so let's build that. These are still not set as they need to be set. Do we have everything is turned off here? Do we have workers working? We don't have workers working. Okay, last experiment here. Will they be set automatically with whatever their need on the input side? I don't know. We're gonna check it now. Let's do the second level because I know that level 2 conveyors. Build. And build. Okay, nothing is happening here. And now the problem that I have now is... Oh, okay, I can't see this. Usually I wouldn't be able to see the what needs to be set. Okay, Sandhammer, I'm sorry, I don't think this works. I might be wrong. I might be doing something wrong. Maybe wanted to show something different. But according to this, according to my understanding, this is plasteel. Something just goes in there and disappears. Look. Where's my duralumin? It just... stuff disappears here. Wow. Oh, right. And you need to be unlocked. Okay, so what's the next one? I'm gonna have to... I think I'll have to... titanium and duralumin. Titanium plates and duralumin plates here. Okay, and everything is level 2. So there we go. We started this is duralumin, right? There we go. Should be like that. I think it should be like that. Yeah, you can see here that materials dropped on the floor, and our drones are probably gonna take care of it. Yeah, unfortunately, it is what it is. There we go. We have a factory producing... Oh, there's even people working at the factory. 1.5 per minute. Yeah. It is what it is. I think we're producing all of these in decent quantities. This one is missing resources. We just increased the rare earth production. Is there... I just saw something's getting stuck. Ah, yeah, this is level 3 conveyor belts switching to level 2. That's the problem there. These conveyor belts look a little bit clogged. No, they're doing fine. Okay, what's next step? Food. Food monitoring. Food is 78. Looks like it's going up slowly. So these kitchens, if supplied with enough organics, they should be supplying us with enough food. How do I deal with organics? I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna be leaving it like this. I think the carbon fiber production for now will have to... They're gonna have to manage with this. Whatever they have here. Wow. Look at the conveyor belt going in. Look at the conveyor belt going out. We will get some more silicon over here. Oh, we need silicon. Yeah. It's gonna be consumed. It's gonna be consumed. So I'm happy to see that. Let's go and check upstairs how are our warehouses doing. Silicon is quite low, titanium is creeping up. Do we want to export this titanium? Do we have any vehicles? No, we don't have any vehicles ready for this. Do I want to start delivering this gas? I just started processing, like extracting neon in order to actually make whatever we're making here, and now seems like I don't kind of need it. So that's a weird one. Somebody's drilling something, sorry about that. Right, I'm just gonna continue doing it. Hopefully you're not gonna hear the background noise and stuff from the drill and stuff, but yeah, I have a neighbor who's doing something, unfortunately. But we have only a few minutes left, so 10-ish minutes, so I'm gonna focus on getting everything in order. So we are absolutely overproducing organics because the food production is not consuming all organics. I think I should put another cooking station over here, which is gonna speed up currently consumption of the organics, just because they're gonna be stockpiling food, but food has its limits as well. I think we have only this storage for food. No, I'm lying. There's this storage for food as well, which I'm kind of thinking that maybe I should be stopping this. This should be just a conveyor belt from above, and this one is for medical equipment. Medical equipment doesn't seem to be a problem anymore. I want us to stockpile on the medical equipment, and we have these neural stimulators as well being produced. That's very, very nice. Yeah, so we need overproduction of organics, which we are doing at the moment. We have a third cooking station, which we should have a cook for as well, so I'm hoping that he's gonna be there, but you can hear it. But I'm louder than it, so hopefully it's not gonna be too bad. So yeah, anyway, but we have only a few minutes left to finish this. Right. Okay, I think at least it's too loud for me. Let me turn on the noise. Here we go, I have noise cancel. Oh my god, I can hear myself think now. That's bad. Okay, I'll think about it. This is definitely not contract for us. Let's do the scanning on the surface first, and let's go and see if we can get any progress more made in this one. Okay, so what am I looking for as a next stuff to do? Oh my god, what is the... Okay, so we have a move here. We need to scan that. I still didn't find the signal. Looks like their scanning for signal is like very, very far away now. The range for how much we can cover with this. Okay, that's perfectly fine with me. There's 10 people starving my ass because there's 100 food. So yeah, they're gonna stop producing this, and then cooks... Well, if cooks are gonna be able to... Wait, is that the surface one? Oh god. Yeah, there's somebody did a mission. I'm assuming that these guys. These guys are going to cover some, pick something up. This guy, no, even maybe this guy is coming back. This is the, what's your name? Outpost 1. This is the mission that I sent him on. Perfect. So Outpost 1 can potentially even go and get the neon. We still didn't discuss what we're gonna use neon for. So let me see, rare earths. Are we having any progress on this one? Well, we are producing more rare earths. This storage is getting full. We're gonna have to start exporting rare earths on the surface. I'm thinking getting serious about this. So let's go press tab intentionally to focus us here. We have 50,000 storage here for rare earths. Okay, so I'm gonna build a huge machine that's gonna be only for rare earth exports. There you go, I said it. Hope you guys agree with this. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, the main way of me managing my base over here is looking at what they need. this is the main way of how I see things developing around the base. And if you have any better way of how to manage your resources, please let me know. I can see here that silicon is falling behind. I'm just gonna check the silicon processing. Silicon here seems this was oh yeah, looks like iron oxide is stockpiling in a huge quantities. Oh, well, let me just double check this. Yeah, one of the upgrades that I'm focused on, it's smelting furnace, and this seems to be something that I would like to focus on to finish as soon as possible, just because this is probably something that I might want as the upgrade in consumption of the oxides. Instead of building more smelting furnaces, I'm thinking, oh, whoa, whoa, I didn't even realize that we didn't fully upgrade all of these. Well, let's get you up to speed. I think conveyor belts 3, 3, 3, 2, and 1. Conveyor belt, I think this is the best. Yeah, this is working as it should. Oh, thank God. It looks like this is catching signals from very, very far away. Look how far we... Look at the dots. This black hole over here, I literally... I don't know if I tried everything, but this is probably going to be one of my last missions to find out if there's any bonuses over here on the map. But this is very, very interesting. What is this? This is the... helium-3 extraction speed, helium-3 extraction speed, helium-3. If we can cover these three dots, this would be helium-3 field. But helium-3 also has the resource as a helium-3. So if we go to our previous base or this base here, well, actually, are you extracting helium? Yeah, they're almost full with helium-3. I might do something with this helium-3 in the next episode, because we are extracting helium-3 from here. Research outpost, I don't know if I should be putting research outposts out there. I think I still need to produce food for them, so I think there's so much stuff that needs to be done with these outposts, and I have a feeling that it's not perfectly set up yet, that it's still work in progress. Like, why would I said I barely have a chance to feed all these people here. Are they really gonna be producing so much more? Whoa, that's a lot of organics in the conveyor belt. That's fine, just fill it. Whoa, they're overflowing already. That's fine, just make enough food. 95 food, yeah, I just make enough food. That's all I'm asking. We need to have enough food for our peeps, and that's it. And then overflow can go back into the carbon fiber production. Right, this is the whole episode is done now. We have only a few moments left. I just wanted to show you this. This is not new people. I don't think these are new people. The whole episode I didn't get any new recruits that I can hire, and I'm literally thinking of hiring whoever. I don't know if there's any point in hiring, in waiting for somebody else. Factory is working. Duralumin plates. Where are you being produced? Duralumin are here, and the problem is that I shut both Duralumin factories at the moment, so I need to put at least one of them in operation. So which one? This is working, but yeah, not to the full capacity. I think we are still missing a lot of aluminium. Which Duralumin factory is better for us? Rare earths, we're still missing a lot of rare earths. These are all empty and need to be filled before anything else. Yeah, and this one seems to be falling. Looks like we're gonna have to process more rare earths if we want Duralumin plates from the rare earth production. And this is 4-1 aluminium. And this one, no, I think we're gonna have to turn this one on. It is using argon, but we have argon. It is using, well, it's actually a positive thing that it's using everything else, but it will be using aluminum oxide, which we're gonna have to produce more. But this is the next episode's topic, guys. This is the next episode. This is Pioneer. I don't. Whoa. That's the new one, newly built. Perfect. Yeah, Pioneer. Let's do this as a last thing in this episode. Boom. Who needs to have better relationship with 17? Oh my God. I don't think they have this capacity. Oh God. Okay, 4,000. I think we can export that. Let me see what's the cap. Oh no. Pioneer. What is your? 5,000 capacity. I don't know how much capacity they're gonna have when they're upgraded. Okay, I'm still going for this. Go here, go contracts. 5,000. This one is 4,000. I'm doing this. Boom. Accept. Send resource. And then select vehicle. That's gonna be. That's the Pioneer, right? Pioneer. Here we go. Pioneer. Fill all it can and get back to base. Okay, perfect. Now I need Pioneer. I need to click on you and change your name to Rego. Oh, caps lock. Oh my god, caps lock. Are you gonna be still on the surface? Yes, you are. Let's see. Rego. No. Slag export. Slag export. There we go. Slag export. And boom. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, Chinese. Comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, I have description of the video. See you next one. Bye bye.